Guys, so yeah, maaraw na. And look at this is the view of Lao. So ito yung view ng Laos. Ito yung 103 hospital. Yan yung military hospital. Look, para ka lang nasa Pilipinas, di ba? Yan, tapos ito ang ganda pa nung abandoned house. Ganda pa nung bahay na to oh. So well, anyway guys, so we're going to police station today to get the police clearance. So maliligo na ako and see you later. So we are here now sa, ewan ko kung ito yung People's Court. So yan naman, nabasa ko People's Court. So ayun guys, so we are here now sa People's Court kung saan tayo kukuha ng police report. So meron tayong letter from the village kung saan tayo nakatira, and then dadalhin lang to dito sa may People's Court. I don't know kung ito talaga yon. So dito ako dinala ng Google Map, and let's see kung ano. Fairness, maganda siya oh, para siyang historical siya. So pasok na tayo. Hi, good morning. Is this where we can get police report? Police report.
Police.
Yeah. Here?
No. This. Yeah.
No.
Oh.
I need this. Yeah. Hindi daw dito, doon daw sa likod. So sabi nung kinausap ko, you go down and then turn left, tapos yung sa stage daw doon daw. So tignan natin kung saan ba dito. Ito nga ba? Oh. Ito siguro. Okay. So let's see. Baka ito. Ito nga. Okay. Saan tayo dito? Ito nga siya, dito sa likod. So dito nga mga kababayan, dito nga yung yung kuhanan siguro. Supreme Court pala yung napuntahan ko. So dito nga kasi may mga nag-fill out ng form. So dito nga siya. So here. So dito nga siya. Okay. Oh.
Your username?
Yeah, Philippine.
Okay.
ดูซีเห็นหายมือนี่แหละแต่ว่า
อาจารย์
Yeah.
Now we have you leave นวดคุณปะเป้าเนาะ
แต่ว่าใบยังยืนอยู่อะนะโบเห็นนะ
คุณปะเป้าสีสัตนา
แต่ว่าเขาอยากได้ใบยังยืนอยู่นะเดี๋ยวเบิ่งสิปิ้นตัวนี้ออก
ID your passport
Passport. So yun guys, natapos na tayo. So struggle lang siya kasi yung form is nakalaw. So hindi natin mababasa. So good thing na yung isang employee dun sa loob kanina is marunong mag-English. So instead siya na lang yung nag-fill out. Binigay ko na lang yung passport ko. Tapos siya na lang nag-fill out dun sa form. Anyway, meron namang letter from the village kung saan ako nakatira. Nandun naman yung name ko, kaso nga lang parang hindi din niya maintindihan. So binigay ko na yung passport ko kanina. Struggle lang kasi parang iba yung format ng passport natin. I don't know kung iba or hindi lang talaga iba talaga yung pangalan natin. Kasi yung pangalan ko is my junior. Tapos yung tinanong niya kanina kung pangalan ng tatay ko, sabi ko same name pero papalitan mo lang siya ng senior kasi ako yung junior, yung tatay ko ang senior. Sabi niya sure? Parang gano'n. So parang hindi wala atang mga junior, senior sa kanila dito. So ayun, tapos kinuha niya sa akin yung WhatsApp number ko para just in case na may mga tanong daw siya doon sa siguro yung personal information ko, at least mas madaling makipag-communicate kasi ita-type ko lang yung information like yung name ng tatay ko, yung nanay ko, yung parents name, and of course yung details ko. So ayun guys, so nagbayad ako is 180,000 keep. I don't know kasi nakita ko yung mga ibang kumuha, yung mga lokal, binayaran lang nila is 80,000 keep. Ewan ko baka iba, pag local siguro is 80,000, pag mga foreigners is 180,000 keep plus 4,000 keep na form, yung form na pipilapan ko. So kukunin ko siya by September 4. So 2 weeks. So today is 28. So 1 week. So September 4 yung releasing at 3:30 PM. So ayun lamang guys yung ating video for today. Pauwi na ako. So madali lang kumuha ng police clearance. So I hope this video helps kung paano mag-secure ng police clearance dito sa Laos. So thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on my next video. Goodbye everyone and stay safe.